We are on an adventure looking for waterfalls. Okay, this road is a bit rough here, but look at the trees. Wow. Yeah, this is why I said we have to take the truck.
I think it says to take a right turn here.
It did.
Off-roading.
Here.
A right turn? I don't think so. Whoa. You sure hope that water's not hiding something deep, like that time Dale took his truck into that puddle and his truck was buried in the water. Nope, there was parking on the right side. I think it was a ways down here. Yeah, we're still going the right way. I'm glad we have our truck today. Whoa. Oh, the trees are so pretty.
You're gonna make your viewers sick.
Whoa.
GPS signal lost.
Oh, how about that?
Go find it.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay. Yep, there it is. And here's the parking on the left. Yeah, I mean on the right.
I was gonna say, Mom, you said,
The
I
other
don't know
left.
about it being on the right. Why would it
Here it is on the left.
Okay, I'm a little directionally challenged maybe, but I knew this was
I
where we
am
were
too,
going. Oh, it's right. Okay, we found the falls. Hold on. The road was so rough, the tailgate came open on the truck. It's been several years since we've been here. Look at those mushrooms. Not as cool as candy corn mushrooms, but still pretty cool. I believe these are Morgan Falls because that's what I typed into GPS and it took us. No, these aren't Morgan Falls. That's further down. I can't remember what these falls were called. I'll have to check a map. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, check out that tree there on that rock. That is one big tree. And yet, it hasn't fallen off the rock yet. And it's still alive. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't be standing right here. Look at the water coming out between the rocks there. All right, we're gonna go explore further down the creek. There used to be a spot here where the kids would go sliding down the waterfalls, but I don't see that. It looks like it's changed. It's changed a bit in the past, 17 years or so. Actually, what it looks like is it's all covered with branches and stuff. Can you see that back there? Yeah, see right over there. There were rocks there that the kids used to slide down, like a water slide. It just looks like it's all covered with debris right now. Okay, I admitted it wasn't just the kids who went sliding down the rocks. I suppose if it were really warm, we could come and we could pull all those branches off of there. So there are logs and stuff here. There didn't used to be, so there was just a rock ledge. Guess they're all headed back to the truck. or to find another trail to get closer to the water. Wasn't that fun? Some more mushrooms here. These are pretty good size.
Did you have to go to the bathroom?
Look at that.
No, it's the bigger falls. Yeah, there's a bathroom down there.
A bathroom down there?
There's somebody going.
No, are there bigger falls here?
That's why I went down there.
Is it worth going down there? Risking my life on this trail?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, I gotta go down there. There's a glare. Look at that. Okay, I'm headed down. And I almost ran into that branch. Now, where are the falls? I had no idea I'd have to go through a jungle here. Wow. What do you think of the falls? So many falls. It's all so pretty. Definitely worth the drive. Yeah, I like that. Now I have to work my way back up the hillside. Wish me luck. I think I'm going to go up that way. It's hard to tell depth in a camera, but it goes way up there. Can you see the water way down there? Okay. I made it up without dying. That's pretty good. My family now, they're way down that road. That question again.
That'd be a lot of work.
He thinks this may have been a railroad grade at one time because it's built up high on both sides. Here and then down to the creek on the other side of the road. Okay, what'd you guys think about the falls?
Harder to get to. It's mostly overgrown now. A lot of dead branches and trees laying across the creek.
Yeah. That was a little disappointing, but that one section of the falls was so pretty. We're trying to get out of here now.
Make the viewers sick.
Yeah, it might make the viewers sick. How about the kids in the back seat? Woo.
So what's the name of these falls?
I don't know. I'll look it up. I have a map of all the waterfalls up here. So bumpy. It's so pretty. I asked Dutch to stop so I could take a picture of the road. Yeah. Did you get a good shot? Let's see what he was getting here. Wow. That's a lot of color.